First, what you want to do is you want to download an app called PixArt. Go on to PixArt, and you want to go to the search bar. So go right when you log on, it's going to say this. Just go to the search bar and then look up Fortnite loading screen. Then the loading screen is going to show up. You're going to want to click on the first one, but make sure it's Fortnite space loading screen, but loading screens all together. Then click on the first one. Then you're going to swipe down, and then you'll see sources. Then you click on this one right here. After that, you want to click apply, and you want to click the background with the checkers. So then you have this in the checkered background. Click apply, click next, and save. Save the pictures on your device. After you're done with that, you want to go on YouTube. Then you just want to look up whatever you're trying to do. So if you want Elite Agent doing smooth moves, you look that up, then find the one that you want. So I got this one. Then you want to save it. After that, you want to go on to InShot. It's another editing app. Go to video, click new. Then you want to click on your video that you downloaded. So here's the video that I downloaded. Then you want to click on canvas, and you want to mess around with it and try finding the right one to where you can get it in the corner on the right side, right here seems about right. We'll make sure it's all the way out, about right there. Then you want to click on sticker. Wrong thing, sorry. Click on sticker, go to the images tab, click on your loading screen. Then you want to zoom it out all the way until it fills up the whole left side of the screen. Then you want to click on canvas again and just kind of mess around with this part, with the Elite Agent, get it into the right place. Click the X on the InShot tab in the corner, then click remove this once. Then you can click on text, type your text. You can select the font, the color, and then just slide it over to the dots, and then that's how you make a Fortnite loading screen. And then you click save up here in the top right corner. You want to click that and click save. Then it will start loading it up. I'm going to cancel because I already have it. And after you're done with that, it should come out like something like this. But it will have music with it. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Peace out.